video, we're gonna talk about the real-time report of Google Merchandise Store. So for that, we will simply click on real-time option, which is given at the top left corner of the dashboard. So we will click here, and yeah, this is the dashboard for the real-time report of Google Merchandise Store. So currently, you can see there are 61 users that they have visited in the last 30 minutes in the Google Merchandise Store. So here at the below you can see out of this 61 user, 66% of users are desktop users and 33 are mobile phone users. And here you can see the location wise from where actually merchandise store is getting the visitors. So yeah, and in the below you can see mm, here you can see the first user source. So from which source actually uh, merchandise store is getting the visitors. These are all the real-time data only. So in the real time from Google and from uh, some analytics app spot.com. So from this website also merchandise store is getting the visitors. And here if we select the medium and from medium we can see through organic or through referral from which option we are getting the visitors. Okay, and here from also we can select the source platform. So actually which is source or how merchandise store is getting the visitors. So from this we can select the users are getting from which platform, and here we can observe the audience. So currently audience are at which stage the audience are, that thing we can check. So yeah, here you can see all user recently active users. 4 users are at the add cart section, and as likely 7 days purchasers. There is one users in San Francisco. So this thing we can check the on the audience section, and here the page title and screen name. So currently in which page how many users uh, are in the merchandise store. So this thing we can check. So yeah, here currently you can see the online store, shopping carts, men's t-shirt. So all these currently pages, this many visitors or this many views are getting. And here are all the events we can see. So this is view promotion, view item list, page view, user engagement, view item scrolls. These are all analytics events. So these events like this view promotion, view item, these are not the default events. Those events are created with the help of Google Tag Manager. So though and this by default page view, user engagement, view items, scroll, these are Google Analytics by default events. Those things Google Analytics provide. But to create the event like this view promotion or view item list with the help of Tag Manager, we can create. So in the upcoming days, I will try to cover this Google Tag Manager tutorial. So where we will try to see how we can create these events with the help of Tag Manager. But for now, we will cover this analytics only. And here in the below you can see the conversion options. Here in the conversion we can see in the real time out of 43 people, or you can say 43 first visit, there is up to now there is one conversion actually happened, that is begin the checkout. So this is all about the real-time data. And at the top, if we go to the top, here is the option called view user snapshot. So if we click here, so from this option we can see in the real time actually what people are actually doing in the website or how they are engaging. So here you can see at this time people are just they are having the user engagement, they are viewing the item list, and yeah, and from the from the right side you can see the 14 view items are happened, 7 people they have viewed the promotion page view user engagement. So all these activities they it is done in the last 30 days, 30 minutes, sorry, in the last 30 minutes. And yeah, from the top you can also view as in from the country wise. If you click here, so yeah, from here you can change the country. So for Singapore, only 138 view promotion happened in the last 30 minutes. So in this way you can select the country whichever you want to see. So yeah, this is all about the snapshot, and if you want to exit, here's the option given exit snapshot. So I will click here and I will be again redirected to the real-time report. Okay, so this is all about the GA4 real-time report. Now let's see how the real-time report will look in the Universal Analytics. So for that I will select Universal Analytics account, and here I will go to the master view. Okay, and here we will go to the real-time and overview. Okay, so in the previous GA4 we have shown that it was showing like real data for last 30 minutes, but here in the Universal Analytics we can see actually per minutes we can see this is the I think actual this is the last 5 minutes only, and here per second we can see how the data is updating. So if you go to below from you here you can see the top referrals options are given and top active pages are given. So currently the active users are in this page only, redesign apparel, the home page and all, and at the bottom the location wise you can see. So this is here city wise actually it is showing. So okay, so right now 23 active users are in the website. So out of those 80% are desktop user and only 12% are mobile phone users. So here if you go to the location, so from this option you can see the location wise. Currently the US has 18 active visitors or active users. India has one, Italy has one, Mexico, Spain, Turkey and United Kingdom has all one. So you can see the real time report for location wise. And if you click on traffic sources, so here you can see 24 active users are direct only, means they have visited the website directly. And if you click on the content, so here you can see at which page uh, currently visitor are at. So two visitor at the online store, two is at home page, two is at the merchandise store. So from here you can see the real-time report for the which page uh, users are currently doing. And the next is the event. Here you can see quick view, product click, install, add to cart. These are all the events that they are engaging. The active users are engaging through this event. And the last option is the conversions. So out of 22 active users, so two are actually uh, begin the checkout. One has completed the purchase and one has done the registration. So this is the conversion. You can see the real time. real-time conversion. So out of all this, so this is all about the real-time report for Universal Analytics. We have also covered the real-time report for GA4. So in the next video, we will try to cover the life cycle of this report, and we will cover the acquisition part. So see you in the next video.